Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2017 Honda Prius. We are doing a used car inspection today. I'm going to walk you through some of the basics of what a used car inspection is, consists of, the objectives of it. It basically just having a third-party look at a vehicle that a customer purchased. Usually there's nothing wrong, but it's always good to have a third set of eyes. Alright, so basically start checking things out. Start out here with the driver's side. I'll just do a brief walkthrough of what stuff I look at and all that. As of right now, looking at the door seals. Door seals can tell you if you have a water leak. And in doing so, I don't know if there's any body damage and such like that. Look at the carpet. See, someone didn't use a floor mat in here. Look underneath. Tells you if it's been waterlogged, water damaged, anything like that. And here we go. Press all the buttons. Everything opens. Which is a good thing. Fuel door's good. Same thing back here. Just check your door seals. Look and see if any of the bolts have been turned. That's a good sign whether or not the vehicle has been in an accident. Check the door strikers. Same concept. Door strikers that have been moved are going to leave paint chips or witness marks and stuff like that around the area to let you know that it's been moved. And most of the time, the only time you have to move it is if the car's been in an accident. Make sure everything works. Seat belts. All-important armrest cup holder. Any damages on the headliner? Got some scuffing up there. There's usually a rather large, extensive list that I have, which I've got most of it memorized. I just go through and mark it off once I've done the basic inspection of looking at everything. Alright, so now check out the tire. Tire, jack, tools, and trash. They didn't clean this car out very well. I'm gonna let the customer know that. I'm gonna go back through and detail the car. Important, it's a brand new car for you. You want it looking nice. There's all the floor mats. The sides there. Nothing up here. License plates look good. Check underneath. Here you can check whether or not the suspension looks damaged, been altered, things like that. Tires get good depth. Brake pads. Kind of hard to see. Like to getting down there. Recommend rear brakes. Shocks look good. Over to this side. Doesn't look like any paint damage. Same thing here. Shock good on that side. Same brake setup. Rotors look good. Go for a test drive, be able to determine whether or not the rotors are warped. That's what a test drive consists of. See if everything looks good on this side. No scary stuff in there. Seen that happen. I don't want to talk about that one. like this was an outside car, because I didn't quite clean up on the inside here, so this car was not garage kept with all that dirt and stuff like that that you see. See all that right there? Yeah. So this was an outside car. Nothing wrong with that, but you know how it is. Let's see what it is. Cabin filter back in here. Oh yeah, definitely need one. That's ucky. So that'll be known to the customer. Check again. Sorry for that weird angle. Components look good. Let's go underneath the hood, see what we got. Front shock looks good. Front brakes a lot better. No damages to the hubcap area. Damages to the lens. Does not have fog lights. See a little bit of scratching right there. Let go. Alright, so coolant looks good. This car's only got 48,000 miles, so I'm not going to suspect much as far as maintenance that need to be done. Besides oil, most places will change your oil for you. And they did, which is a good thing. Check down there, look at the condition of the belt. Now, here's the fun part. Look at these right here. If this car's been in a front end accident, these bolts right here will have witness marks on them. The paint will be removed. Paint being removed means someone put a wrench on it and turned it. Therefore, had to be removed. Either to get painted, replaced, or whatever like that. You always look down on the side for the painted bolts. They'll be the ones that'll tell you right there whether or not the car's been in a front end accident or anything. It just looks like it has not been, which is a good thing. Body, good and tight. There's your hybrid system right there. There's your PCM. Brake fluid looks clean. Overflow coolant. More coolant. Underneath looks good. Doesn't see much as far as leaks there, which is another good thing. The only thing we're going to have here is alright, everything under the hood looks good. Air filter's good. Gonna need some wiper blades. It's feel pretty rough. Let's check the back one. Yeah, back one's good. Alright, so we're gonna hop inside, fire it up. Typical Prius, no engine start. So that's why I just overlook everything. Check, make sure the AC is gonna work. Check all the little setups, do auto.
And or he, you know, he didn't feel comfortable or
volume down and speed down. Settings. Yeah. Just doing basic overall check. Make sure everything is in the auto up feature. Alright, so now I'm going to go for a test drive, and then I will bring it back and let you know if I find anything else out with what's going on with the car.